Hello guys, welcome back. I'm back again with another video, and for today's video I have these two wire strippers with me. One is a manual wire stripper and the other one is an automatic wire stripper. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can use these two wire strippers to strip the wires of different gauges. So the first thing is you can do both the things with these two wire stripper. You can cut your wire as well as strip your wire, right? Let's start with the manual wire stripper. If I talk about cutting a wire, which is actually a very simple process, you can simply place your wire over here and just cut it. This is very simple. But when it comes to stripping a wire, then you will have to place your wire in between this diamond shape which is forming right here. So why this diamond shape? So it basically helps in it basically cuts only the insulation part of your wire, not the copper wire. I'll show you how it works. So if you just press it and just pull it, so it only cuts the insulation part and there is no copper strands which came off, which is a good thing. But if I try to cut a thicker wire with the same wire stripper, then let's see what happens. So if I just first cut it, and now if I strip a thick wire, then let's see. So yes, it did, the insulation part, yes, came off, but with the insulation part there are lots of copper strands which came off, and this actually is not a good practice because this actually decreases the current carrying capacity of your wire. Then what's the solution, right? Like I said in the beginning, that you can strip all the gauges with this wire stripper. But how? So if you look at it closely, there is this shape right here and there is a screw as well. So this basically helps in setting, this basically helps you in setting your wire stripper so that you can strip wires from different gauges. And the process is very simple. There's a screw. You'll need a screwdriver for this. You have to just lose this screw, and see, this is adjustable. So if you place your screw over here at the maximum point, इसकी help से you will be able to strip a thin wire. And let's say if I want to cut this thick wire, and सबसे पहले मेरा screw यहाँ पे place था, and I will need इसके लिए मुझे सेट करना होगा, तो मैं थोड़ा सा इसको ऊपर प्लेस करके फिक्स करूँगी. And let's see if it works. Okay. Yeah. So let me cut it first. Yeah. Okay. Now, as you can see, कोई भी मेरा copper strands बाहर नहीं आए, right? So that's how you actually adjust your wire stripper with the help of this screw to strip wires from different gauges, right? So if I talk about the automatic wire stripper, इसके दो main parts हैं. One is this main jaw, जिसमें basically आप अपना wire को place करते हैं यहाँ पे, and then you strip the wire. For the gauge thing, there is a screw over here. Similar to the manual wire stripper, आपको ये adjust करना पड़ेगा, figure out करना पड़ेगा कि किस position पे कौन से gauge को मैं strip कर सकती हूँ. So with this wire stripper, stripping becomes very simple. You just have to place your wire over here and just press it. So see, the process becomes very simple. For different thickness, you will have to adjust this screw, and apart from this there is one more part right here. You will be able to see a black thing which is here, and this is basically a blade. इस जिससे आप वायर को कट कर सकते हैं. You just have to place it over here and cut it. So apart from these two wire stripper, I have one more tool right here with me. This is a crimp tool and used to crimp the terminals at the end of electrical wire, and you can also use this to cut your wire as well as strip your wire. And if you want to know how to use this tool to crimp the connectors, then stay tuned and do not forget to like and subscribe our channel.